Hey, what's up guys? Neat J here. Welcome to my video. In my last video, I showed you how to make a fuzz material with Redshift in Cinema 4D. Today, I'm gonna walk you through creating it with Octane. Let's jump right in. Create an Octane universal material and drag it onto the object. Let's set the material. Turn off the specular channel and set the sheen value to 1. Add some roughness. Let's set the bump map. I'll use the same fabric normal map as for the Redshift tutorial. Connect the texture to the bump map. Reduce the bump height. Add UV transform node to scale down the tiling. In Octane, the UV scale is the reciprocal of Redshift's, right? So I'll set the scale to 10, as I set scale to 0.1 in Redshift. Now let's set the base color. We'll use a mix node to blend a light and a dark color to mimic how light scatters differently on surfaces like velvet or suede for a realistic tactile look. Add a mix node and plug it into the albedo. Just the same process as in Redshift. Connect a crust map to the amount slot. Add an RGB spectrum to texture 1 and duplicate it for texture 2. Set the colors to a light gray and a dark gray. Change the tiling scale of the crust texture. Add a gradient node to the texture to control the map strength better. Let's create the textured color shown on the cover. Load the texture file into the node editor. Add a color correction node. Connect it to the texture and plug them into texture 1. Duplicate them for texture 2. Change the gamma of these two layers to have two different textures with different brightness. Now let's turn on the hair object. Create an Octane hair material. Set the hair mode to albedo plus specular. Drag it onto the hair object. Duplicate the pillows mix texture to the hair object and plug them into albedo. In the Roughness tab of the hair settings, add longitudinal and azimuthal roughness. Check the render view. It's very heavy. I'll speed up the render process. Just tweak these parameters to get what you want. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.